thinking that it ain't gotta be that way.
All that I'm seeing is your face on a phone screen with a call and a message. Maybe we're gonna be okay. Oh, you gotta notice I hear explosions whenever I see your face on my pillow. I swipe right.
Okay, I'm going to have to take a photo.
What the heck?
Way too much.
Way too much.
No,
Just saying.
I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this.
You're gonna eat everything?
Yeah, ease.
Okay, this is.
Take a photo for Mum. Oh, Abalone.
It's moving. True,
Take a
Mum
photo
would
for
love
Mum.
this.
She'll be so jealous.
But it's like the whole table again. Yeah.
어머니가 가리비 좋아하신다고
진짜
했죠?
좋아해요. 네, 네.
Horse muscle or something?
Oh, and there's something.
It looks more like a scallop, like the meat does.
Yeah. Look at it moving. Oh, and there's something.
It looks more like a scallop, like the meat does.
Yeah. Look at it moving.
Oh no! Wow.
It's a big one of those.
Oh man.
So, what? I don't. It is hot now. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Cold. Yeah.
근데 뉴질랜드에서도 바다는 자주 가는데 조개를 저렇게 BBQ 해서 먹진 않아요?
For this type of seafood, not really.
Oh man.
They look so good.
Yeah.
So good.
It's so good. Oh, it's cooking live. Mini scallops, but they're not
Yeah.
flat. They're not flat on one side.
Mussels. I'm really keen for mussels.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Samida.
Look at it. Look at it move.
Oh wow.
Just over it a little bit.
슬픈 표정으로 너무 맛있겠다.
Yeah. Feel the yum. I feel like it's better to scoop that out with a spoon, I reckon.
Yeah. No, well, no, put it on our plate and then give it like. The cheese is all melting in
Is
here.
it? Oh yeah.
You can see on the edges. I mean, how long do we wait till eating? I don't know.
Yeah. Just let old mate. I think he's going to come around and help us. Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Oh.
누가 처음에 시작했을까?
그러니까 말이에요.
조개를 구워서 치즈에 찍어 먹는 거.
천재예요, 진짜.
천재야, 진짜 천재.
Okay.
Very nice.
Cute. Yum.
Something like that. So good to go.
Yeah.
You're gonna have the scallop.
Yeah, I reckon. Right down the hands.
Oh, it's hot. Is it hot? Cool it down for a little bit.
I'm really excited for this.
Yeah.
Scallops and cheese and
Are we good?
yeah.
Still so hot.
Oh my goodness.
Did you get it?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
Did you get it?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I've never had scallops and cheese before.
No. But
But
also
it's
that
okay.
like slightly. Think of the slightly spicy sauce.
Yeah.
Is it perfect amount down here?
Shells?
Oh.
I reckon shells.
Okay. I don't know. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so I think he's taught us,
Yeah.
and now we do it from now on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you wanna flip the scallops though? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Good idea.
예술이다, 정말.
Flipping.
Okay, add a cheese on.
저 불이 되게 세요.
Really good.
저기 세죠.
Yeah. But I feel like the gloves are too small.
Maybe they'll be super stretchy.
They are
They're
stretchy.
stretchy. Oh, yeah.
한국 사람들 먹을 때 도구로 가리지 않는 것 같아요. 목장갑도 끼고.
그럼요.
Yum.
Yeah.
Those are so good. Those are done.
Yeah. Do you want?
You grab one first.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Probably like burnt your hand.
Yeah, that's definitely done. Yeah. Yeah. Now, do we dip them in the cheese? You reckon?
I reckon that would be nice.
Yeah, I reckon.
I feel like this one here needs a lot more. That's such a granddad like hold on. This is the meal to have by the beach.
Oh yeah.
This is so nice.
So nice. Where's that bucket? I'm just loving these scallops, eh? Such a fan of scallops.
Yeah, don't have to cook them much.
My goodness, that's nice, though. I kind of want to try to do scallops like this at home. Because it'll be scallop
Cheesy.
season. Scallop season's coming up soon when we get back.
Oh yeah.
I think it's like October.
Yep. Yes. What's gonna be ready soon? Some of these guys maybe? Yeah, open these.
구이라 그러지만 그 국물이랑
맞아요.
같이
이렇게
쪄지잖아 이렇게 삶아지고.
Yeah, I think those are getting close.
But see that cheese? Like I wondered, like, do we dip them in the cheese?
퐁듀.
Yeah. Now, do we dip them in the cheese? You reckon?
I reckon that would be nice.
Yeah, I reckon. You don't want to do it wrong. So, yeah.
Yeah.
많이 없어서 그쵸.
Huge.
I think he's going to come back and tell us what we need to do.
Sorry?
Oh, sorry.
I think more cheese.
Yeah. Okay.
찍어서 먹는 거
So
알려주세요.
nice.
Yep. Are these ready now?
Yeah, how's that?
Yep. Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So do we scoop this out? Should we put mussel?
Yep. Okay. I wonder if they're already cooked, eh? Do you want that? I'm excited to try this one. I've never tried that before.
불안감을 얼싸안고 한 발짝 한 발짝 무거운 발걸음
Yeah.
What is this?
I think that's that like rice cake stuff.
아직 한참 먼 곳 그곳은 그대 위한 파라다이스
This is so good.
So yummy.
Yeah. Funny how you were saying like the other day that we hadn't had any cheese.
True.
Yeah.
Such a fan of scallops. Okay, should we start loading some of these in?
These in. I'm gonna leave my glove on.
Huh?
I'm leaving my glove on. Might be part of it. Are you gonna put them in? Yeah. Nice. It's like a muscle. We have
다들
it.
이제 장갑을 찼어요.
We can move these to the side.
괜히 주는 게 아니거든요.
맞아요.
It's easier but than there for now.
합이 착착 맞네요.
그러네요.
합이
그러네요.
착착 맞아요.
저것도 다 썰어가지고 와.
I think we start eating some of this and I'll
Yeah.
load this abalone in soon.
Yeah. Can someone rotate those things?
아 굳었구나. 아유 그러네.
She's getting a bit harder, eh?
Again, another theme of the trip.
Eat too slow. Walk too fast, eat too slow.
We're too slow.
No. True.
계속 보고 계신가 봐 이렇게 신경이 쓰시나 봐.
Oh yeah?
오,
방법
저렇게.
있구나.
와 대박.
Oh, so you push the liquid in there too. Cool.
저 조개에 있는 육수 얼마나 짭조름하게 간이 잘 돼 있을 거예요 저게. 얼마나 맛있을까.
Oh yeah, okay.
Kamira. Abalones.
You try one? How are they?
Good. Great. Oh, mate. You want to?
What do you reckon?
Oh.
I need to ask you about these. It's an abalone. I
Flip
love
this
the
over the other way.
shiny.
Yeah. Oh, these are so good. Oh, these are so good.
Are they?
I want to like
Why not you
scoop this one out. I reckon this one is ready, guys. Maybe not. Got nothing cooking on there. Yeah. So like, what are these ones? We haven't had these, eh? Should give them a go. Should give them a go. Oh, so good.
You had one, right?
Oh, these are so good.
Are they? Have you had one, right? Yeah.
So we need to remember what ones are cooked and what ones aren't.
Look at this one. It's freaking massive.
Yeah. Oh,
I don't know, because even these, I'm like, do we cook those or? Do we cook those or? Okay, we're all gonna have to try one of these.
아우 형이 먼저 그냥 입에 한번 넣어보는구나.
David? Good cheek.
I want to be able to have something to wash it down if I didn't put milk. I want to be able to have something to wash it down if I didn't put milk. Yeah.
Maybe that stuff, whatever that is.
Yeah.
Now what is this thing? I reckon it's a bug.
I reckon it's a bug too. Tell me if it's nice.
That's really nice. That's really nice. Nice, so
Your face is not convincing.
당할 수 없다.
반납했어요.
Yeah, it's nice. It's yum. Try one.
Oh, I get some wasabi. Oh, that's hot. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Do you want some, Stephen?
Okay, you gotta eat that, man.
David doesn't eat his.
Yeah. I'll
Bug.
I'll actually heat it again. That's the thing. I'm gonna even have.
I'm eating my bug.
What do you think? Roger, you need to eat your bag, man. Have you ate your bag? What do you think? Roger, you need to eat your bag, man. Have you ate your bag?
No.
Oh.
It's not my favourite.
티백이라고 생각했는데.
Oh, you put it
There's a good
in.
chance that's right. There's a high chance it's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rice.
Ah.
Oh, right.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Just
Oh,
eat.
and then you eat.
Yeah.
Yum.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
또 찰밥은 또 다르지.
쫄깃쫄깃하잖아요.
It does have that like tea. What about bunny? But it's not just like 50% of the time. No. It's like.
That's all the time.
찰잡사.
What about bunny? This is how clueless we are.
Oh, yeah.
We're so clueless. Like. Oh, no.
입이 열렸어요, 조개가.
You think these guys are ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How massive, eh?
They're like for the size of shells.
Yeah, like
The amount of meat in them.
bang for your buck for those ones.
It's unique having red blood in seafish. Or like, you know.
Yeah, they're just.
It's unique having red blood in seafish.
피 아닐 텐데.
뭐 저도 궁금했어요, 저거.
아, 책에 헤모글로빈이.
Can I swap your scissors for?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Yum.
Because it is interesting, eh?
I need to not put my. Oh, this is cat cup.
Wonder what those ones are called. I've never seen these before. But this, I've never seen that before.
No, we definitely don't have that.
Are they like a mixture between like a scallop and a mussel or something? Yeah, even that colour.
So yeah, you're right. It's sort of got like a little bit of muscly.
Yeah. Just trying to think. I don't think I've ever filled myself up on this much seafood.
Yeah.
Ooh, being full. I want to make sure I've got some room left over for whatever that is.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so full.
Yeah, I'm full. So full.
I definitely want to try that. Whatever that is in the thing though.
I really want to just
저 뭐예요?
Have a little peek to see. Oh, okay.
What's that?
I wonder what it is.
뭐지?
I reckon I'm going to find out in a second. Okay, I wonder what this is. Should we try and open it?
You're.
I reckon
it's been 5 minutes. Yeah, I reckon it's been 5 minutes. Yeah, it's been that.
This is a surprise.
Like unwrapping a present.
Yeah. What is this? What is
I
it?
hope it's not anything too big.
Oysters.
Oh! Anything too big.
Oysters. Okay.
우와!
That one just cracked open as well, though.
This one?
That one on your side, yeah. I'm glad it wasn't anything like.
Yeah, big.
Like a big,
big, like.
what I was worried about is like a big like steak of like.
It's gonna have it by itself. The big one.
향긋하지. 향긋해.
Thanks. No, I'm so full. I'm so full. Yeah.
I love oysters, eh?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Strong smell.
Korean seafood noodles.
Wrong smell.
세트였죠, 그죠? 세트를 시킨 거죠,
세트를
그죠?
시켰으니까.
I think I'm done. I'm full.
Yeah.
Oh, 벌써. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
너무 놀랐어.
Just grab an individual one. Oh wow.
Oh no. Very full. I was just getting to the stage of like, oh no. I was just getting to the stage of like, what are we meant to do with that? No way. Like, it's a lot of time. Like, we could have just had this and then nothing else.
And still probably wouldn't have finished it.
This is so interesting because there's so many shells, right? Wait, is this? I don't know. But like, yeah, I scoop it up. Look at all the shells.
Try and get rid of all those shells. That's the if you can.
No, like, I think it's part of it. Oh,
Stay.
Richie? Oh, yeah. Like any form of, like, elegant. Yeah. Slip it. I like these type of noodles, though.
Yeah, me too.
There we go.
Nice. I like this. Yum.
탄수화물이잖아요. 들어가요.
마지막 식사인데.
You got mushroom? Yeah.
It wouldn't be a Korean meal without some kimchi, though.
Finish off with some kimchi. Seems to be, it wouldn't be a Korean meal without way too much food.
보내주죠.
정확하네.
well.
정확해.
There's a lot of food there.
So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore.
여기 서해안에 갯벌이 있는 것도 참 축복이에요, 그죠?
맞아요, 맞아요.
Keep on lifting higher, higher, higher.
Like, the sand feels nice. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So, you know the ocean current?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. It's kind of like Tauranga, but it's a lot smaller beach.
Yeah.
비슷하네요.
잘 생겼다.
비슷해요, 진짜.
Yeah. So see the little crab ran in? Yeah. Like, did you see one? Yeah. It's real small though. It's like similar to
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this all crabs or something? Like all these ball things? Oh, the holes. Okay. See them? Oh. Here. Yeah. Here's one.
And they jump back into the hole.
They're real quick. See how little they are?
Oh yeah! Wow.
See how little? I got one. Yeah.
You got one? Did I get one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, you dropped it.
다쳤어. 엄마!
Well, there's obviously heaps of sea life then.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Is that a shell? Look at that.
Whoa, it's huge.
What?
Okay, we don't get them that big, like, not even close to New Zealand. They're just
that.
chilling on the beach. Look how big it is. Yeah. Like this line here.
Yeah.
I mean, here's another one. Just a bit smaller.
Oh, that's real.
That's
definitely
real. Yeah.
Oh, that's actually alive still.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
Look at it inside. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll put him back.
Yeah. Interesting. All right, you guys came for a bite to eat?
I'm keen for a tea.
So we'll just walk along the beach, eh? Yeah.
I wonder if they do any racing here.
Yeah.
Oh, the water's so warm.
Oh, so warm.
Yeah. Wow. So warm. Yeah.
Close.
Does the water ever get this warm at home? I don't think so. Like, this is, I don't know, what do you reckon?
Too warm?
24?
24, I was going to say.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a yacht out there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
보트를 타는 거예요?
I wonder if they do any racing here. Oh, the water's so... Yeah, on this right?
와. 잘한다.
이야.
저렇게 땡볕에?
그냥 파라솔 없이?
this is so stunning. I kind of like.
Yeah.
Nights at the bottom of my heart. Ooh, me, oh my, if we
근데 한국 사람들 저도 그 무조건 그늘 찾지 않아요?
뭐 있어야 돼요.
그럼 레시카드
레시카드 다 있고.
너무 신기해요.
That's cool.
Yeah. It's really cool, actually.
That's really
저 모래가 얼마나 따뜻하겠어요.
그러네. 야, 찜질이네, 모래 찜질이요. 오.
It's like kind of maybe a bit more orange. Like there's a little orange tint to
little
it.
tinge, yeah.
Like Red Beach. Yeah,
Little bit
like
like
Red
Red
Beach.
Beach. Yeah, sure.
어.
야.
another song, getting drunk. Know you've heard it all before, but honey, listen up.
I wonder if Andy's been out here. We have to tell him
I hope
about
so.
it. Yeah. I think if he's ever feeling homesick, he should just come out here and
Yeah.
probably feel
Go
a bit
walk
like-
around the marina.
Yeah.
좋은 데 가면 동생 생각이 계속 나나 봐요.
그러네. 어우, 맷 데이먼.
아.
어우, 맷 데이먼.
Again, another complete
How
variety.
different?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
different? You know? Yeah.
Yeah. It's almost like we've been to, I don't know, like 10 different countries in one
One trip.
because in one trip. We've had so much variety.
그렇죠. 다 다르죠.
어.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. So much variety.
Yeah.
I guess New Zealand doesn't have that variety.
Yeah.
It's not the New Zealand sun.
Yeah, that brutal, like, yeah, you
Yeah.
can feel it like burning a bit though.
Almost, yeah, you feel it burning,
Yeah.
like harshly.
Normally, if you wanted to have a winter getaway, you would just go to a tropical island.
Yeah.
But we could totally do a winter getaway as a family up here and still feel like we've had a.
You wanna know more about me.
어렸을 때 막 화목하고 막 사랑이 넘치는 집에서 그 자란 티가 성인이 돼도
맞아요.
그게 이제 나오는 것
나요,
같아요.
진짜.
You